What is going on, everybody? This is of course Alex and you are watching the Tech Labs, and today we're going to be adding the ultra low power saving mode on our iPhone up here. So when you have this 2% of a battery, 10%, and you still need this extra juice to make this last call or do this last action, this is where it comes in. But guys, before we get in, if you're a true Apple fanboy and you love Apple, make sure you enable the notifications to the channel and also subscribe to it so you won't miss any future videos. And now let's get straight into this. Okay guys, so this is actually super simple to do. Basically all you have to do is just go into the Safari and then go into the apps for the iPhone.net. Of course, I'm gonna have this one linked down below in the description. So click on the download app and then install it on your device. And of course, make sure you have the shortcuts app installed on your device, because otherwise this will not work. You can get shortcuts from an app store. And now go into the apps for the iPhone, go into here or here in this tab. Yep, up here, the first one should be the ultra low power mode. Just click on it without any ads, without anything of that. You can just go into more and then of course copy to the shortcuts app up here. So click on that little icon. So we're gonna copy that up here, we're gonna keep both of course, and now here's how it looks like. So basically when you're enabling this ultra low power saving mode, you are also enabling the low power mode, you're setting the brightness to 10%, and you're actually turning off the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So this will actually save a ton of battery for you. So here is how it looks like. Click done. So whenever you're trying to use the ultra low power saving mode, just go ahead and go into your shortcuts app up here and then click on this ultra low power saving mode shortcut. So just like this. And as you can see now, yep, that is done, and we have now the brightness set to 10%. We also got the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi disabled, and we've got the low power mode enabled as well. So this is really cool. But yeah guys, so this one should actually give you around 1 hour of the battery life extra to your iPhone, of course. But if you enable this one at the start of the day, of course your iPhone will live from a start of a day to the end, so maybe even to the next day, so who knows. But anyways guys, I hope you found this one useful. And of course, if you did, make sure you smash the like button. That will be super much appreciated like always. And as always guys, I really hope to see you around on my next one, and peace out.